What's up guys, Faisal here. So the upcoming Galaxy S24 series might not capture significantly better selfies. While Samsung is rating two new foldable phones for the Galaxy Unpacked launch event scheduled for July 26, you can be sure that the company is also working on its next-gen slab-type flagship phone, the Galaxy S24. The 2024 model, some hardware components will get upgraded while others might not, and a new report says the selfie camera falls in the latter category. After 4 years of using a 10 megapixel selfie camera for the Galaxy S flagship lineup, Samsung switched to an improved 12 megapixel sensor earlier this year when it released the Galaxy S23 series, and according to Oracle's at Galaxy Club, Samsung has no plans to use a higher resolution sensor for the Galaxy S24 series next year. The entire Galaxy S24 lineup should share the same 12 megapixel sensor as the 2023 model. We are using this year's sensor does not surely mean selfie photography won't experience any improvement next year. But if there will be any, they will come through better camera software optimization and out processing in addition to the selfie camera. Staying the same, you may have also heard rumors about Samsung planning to use the 200 megapixel ISO-cell HP2 sensor for the Galaxy S24 Ultra next year. The social HP2 debuted earlier this year through the S23 Ultra, and the Korean tech giant may have yet to squeeze everything out of this new sensor. Hence, it makes sense for Samsung to want to use it again merely 1 year after its release and have the potential to improve the camera experience through other means. If all this sounds uneventful, well, there is one component that could be replaced in 2024. Previous reports say the Galaxy S24 Ultra will get at least one significant camera hardware upgrade through a better telephoto camera. The Galaxy S23 Ultra uses a 10 megapixel telephoto camera with 3 optical zooms and a 10 megapixel 10x zoom unit. But the Galaxy S24 Ultra is set to replace the 3S telephoto unit, one that's capable of 5x zoom. So what are your thoughts about the upcoming S24 lineup for Samsung? Is it really a great sign to use the same selfie shooter like the current gen Galaxy S23 lineup? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section. And if you guys enjoy the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I will see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.